Birds are vanishing, and it's not just sad, it's scary. Let's find out why. Urban sprawl, mobile tower radiation, and pesticides are slowly driving away our winged friends, and we barely notice. And the result? An empty bird's nest. Isn't that sad? But why should you care? Birds aren't just pretty, you see, they're essential. They eat pests, spread seeds, pollinate flowers, clean up nature, and even warn us when the environment is in trouble. When birds vanish, nature breaks down. No birds means more pests, fewer plants, and rising disease. Let's bring the birds back. Plant trees, say no to pesticides, turn off outdoor lights, and spread the word because saving birds means saving ourselves.